Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Okay. So
Hello, sir.
Dr. Parag is loading his slides. So let's start the case because there is some issue with Dr. Satyavan Sharma's case. So let's start this and then last case will do Dr. Satyavan Sharma. Chalo, start Parag. Start.
Am I visible?
Yeah, you are visible. You are audible.
Very well, very well.
Audible?
Parag is very well
Good
visible.
afternoon. I am presenting this
Karan, you
case.
are there.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay, good.
Morning,
Good.
madam.
Good morning. So I start my case.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, this is a 9-year-old boy with who stays in a village. He is a third by birth order, born out of non-consanguineous marriage, insignificant perinatal or postnatal history. His height is 123 centimeter, weight is 21 kg. Now, he has presented with effort intolerance noticed since 2 years of age and mild discoloration of lips and tongue since late infancy. Now, the symptoms have worsened. Now he is in class 2 to class 3, and the cyanosis or the mild blue discoloration is also progressively worsening. So, from this history, what do you expect?
Meet.
Yes, sir. Sir, since the child is having bluish discoloration since infancy and effort intolerance now, and there are no history of recurrent respiratory tract infection, I think it is a decreased QP situation.
Mhm.
Sir, decreased QP situation since 1 year of age, more likely to be a VSD PS physiology, sir, like a top physiology.
Are you 100% sure you are not dealing with pH physiology?
Sir, I would like to know still more history, sir, detail, like if the patient had any increased respiratory tract infections history previously, sir.
And how many percentage of increased QP has got the reported RTI?
I'm not
Did
sure,
you
sir.
come across PhD pH physiology without any RTI? Simpler question.
No, sir. Most of them will give the history of recurrent respiratory tract infections, sir. VSD, at least the post-tricuspid shunts.
Okay. Now the another history, that is the squatting episodes were present. There was no syncope, unconsciousness, convergence, low history of SRS cycle, low respiratory tract infection, no history of cerebral vascular accident, focal neurological deficit, headache, no edema, fullness in abdomen, facial swelling. So what all do you interpret from this?
Sir, squatting episodes are present, so it goes in favor of decreased QP situation, like top physiology. And
Okay.
since there are no suppressed cycle and low respiratory infection, that means there is no increased QP like situation, and then no syncope and conversions. No syncope and conversion suggests that like there are no hyperviscosity syndromes features, and CVA, focal neurological deficits and headaches, again same thing, sir, hyperviscosity syndrome it suggests, or it can even suggest cerebral abscess, which can be commonly seen with cyanotic heart disease, sir.
Going to squatting episode, what question I have not asked?
Uh, History of spells have not been asked, sir.
Okay. And if it is
And
present, what does it mean?
history of spell, if it is present, then sir, it more likely to be a top, sir. VSD PS physiology.
Which VSD PS physiology doesn't have spells?
Uh, sir, top with absent pulmonary wall will not have, and then
If you are saying
uh,
top acid pulmonary, what is the presentation of top acid pulmonary?
they'll come with breathlessness and respiratory infections because of the bronchomalacia and tracheomalacia, because of the obstruction of the bronchuses by the enlarged pulmonary arteries.
At what age do they present?
In the first decade, sir.
First decade or something else you want to say?
Infancy, from infancy they will start developing, sir.
See, the top absent communal present either in early neonatal period with compression on documental tree. They generally present at that age.
Okay, sir.
Do not present late. What is the mechanism of spell?
Sir, mechanism of spell, there are six theories, sir. So the most accepted is Morgan's theory, sir, which is vulnerable respiratory center. The other theories are Kotavi's theory, which says activation of mechanoreceptors in RV, then atrial tachycardia, then infundibular spasm, and paroxysmal hyperapnea. These are the theories which have been suggested, sir.
Can you explain the whole mechanism of cyanotic spell as well, apart from theory? How does can you describe the cyanotic spell as such? How does it happen
Yeah.
physiologically?
Yes, sir. So once the child is wakes up from the deep sleep, that's when the respiratory centers are more vulnerable. And once he wakes up,
Deep
either
sleep,
because
crying,
of
or during feeding? Excuse
yes,
me.
yes, sir,
Also,
crying, feeding, or
when
bowel motion, sir,
yeah, yes.
bowel movements. So during that
Go
time,
ahead.
there is increased cardiac output and increase in heart rate, because of which the venous return also increases and the right to left shunt also increase. Which then, because of the decreased PO2, the chemoreceptors
There
in
is
the
also,
carotid body.
before that, there is a decrease in the systemic vascular resistance. Okay. That's why there
Yes,
is
sir.
increase in the venous flow. Okay. Then,
Yes, sir.
so
Then, sir, increasing
everything is
venous
linked to
return.
each other. You have to go. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, sir, because of crying, there is a decreased SVR also. At the same time, there is
Hmm.
increased venous return,
Hmm.
and then the right to left shunt increases, and because of which
Perfect.
the hypoxic blood is more in the systemic circulation, and the carotid bodies are stimulated, chemoreceptor, and which then stimulates the respiratory center and causes hyperapnea.
So at the same time, there is decrease in the POT and increase in the PCO2, which causes hypercapnia, which causes hyperventilation. This cycle goes on, and
Hyperventilation.
that is why there is a which lands him to limpness, unconsciousness, or
Deepening
convulsions,
cyanosis.
or
Yes, sir.
okay, which
Yes,
is
sir.
known as cyanotic spell. So, as
Yes.
Paraga asked you, what are the different scenario where we commonly will get a cyanotic spells?
Sir, in the typical TOF, we can get cyanotic spells. Then in DORV, VSD, PS physiology, we can get, sir, cyanotic spells. And even
So in
DTK, VSD,
transverse
PS, we can
physiology,
get.
probably you don't, in PGAs or truncus, you don't get a cyanotic spells, right? Because which have the
Barring
mixed kind of circulation, right?
barring
Yes,
top,
sir.
the chances of having spell is less.
Yes, sir.
And how do you treat them, or what will you explain parents if they come at 6 months of age, that how will you treat the spell?
Sir, first thing is we should not take the baby from the parents because they get more irritable and the spell can worsen.
The
So
patient is
keep
at
them
home,
in
and
the
what
knee
will
chest.
patient is at home and baby goes in spell, what will explain parent what to do at home till they come to
Keep
you?
them in the knee chest position. Like take them in the arms and keep them in the knee chest position. So because
How
of
does
the
it work?
yes, sir, because of the compression of the iliac veins and iliac vein, so the venous return is decreased, and compression of the femoral arteries, the SVR is again increased. So then the right to left shunt will decrease, and that's when the hypoxic blood going to the chemoreceptors is reduced again, sir.
Do you know any drugs
Most
that can?
important here is to remember the SVR is increased, right? Then you will remember each and everything during the exams. Okay, that's how the afterload increases and then it causes decrease in the shunt. Okay.
Shunt, yes, sir.
What other position that are taken for which are similar to Nietzsche's position?
Yes, sir. So, sir, for older children, sir, we can use those positions have been accepted, sir. Like sitting with legs drawn underneath, or lying down on the left side, and standing with crossed legs. These are the other equivalents of squatting.
And why do older children do not get spell?
Sir, they would have learned it, sir. Once they are tired, sir, they will sit down. So the spell doesn't occur, sir.
So
So it
another
doesn't
mechanism
progress.
is possibly there is maturation of respiratory control center.
Yes, sir.
So they do not get into spells.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in your patient, can you now we will discuss your patient. This patient is a 9-year-old, right? And
Yes,
he
sir.
presented, I think, with the cyanosis at about 2 to 3 months of age, but the history was still. So, what do you think this patient has, and can you explain the anatomy and physiological, background for this patient?
Sir,
What do you
cyanosis.
think?
Yes, sir. Sir, same sir.
Go ahead, go
Cyanosis,
ahead.
late presentation of cyanosis, sir. 2 to 3 months of age.
What
So
is
the
that
most
known as?
common
Any
cause.
particular when it is present as a late, particularly in these cases, what is that known as? A particular terminology is there. Deferred cyanosis, right?
Yes, sir. Different.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Then,
So,
what
sir,
is the
most
reason for
common.
deferred cyanosis? What is the reason for deferred cyanosis?
Sir, late onset cyanosis is because it occurs once the activity increases, sir. So that is one
Right.
reason. Second is fetal hemoglobin has been explained in the role.
Drop downs,
Uh,
yes.
yeah. Then, sir, progressive infundibular stenosis again.
Cyanosis. I think these are the three important reasons where in deferred cyanosis is classically seen in Kylo's physiology, right?
Fallot's visual. Yes, sir.
I ask you a little different question. Instead of mentioning cyanosis presenting since infancy, if I say cyanosis is monitored for last 3-4 years after onset of breathlessness, then what would you interpret?
Uh, so, uh, Sir, again, yes, sir. Since, sir, there is no history of lower respiratory infection previously, shunt lesions going into Eisenmenger is again less likely to be considered. So, since it is only effort intolerance and cyanosis, late presentation, again,
But I am
petrology.
asking, in this case, cyanosis was first. Now I say cyanosis appeared later, after the breathlessness set in.
Sir, in that case, then, sir, ASDPS, ASDPS can be kept in mind, and
Okay.
PH, sir, primary pulmonary hypertension causing right to left shunt at PFO level, at ASD level.
Primary pulmonary hypertension, we are dealing at, so answered at 2 years of age.
9
Okay.
At first
years.
decade.
No, sir, 9 years is less likely. Second decade is more common, sir.
Okay.
And then cyanotic heart disease like tetralogy of Fallot also, sir, can be possible again. Then
Okay.
uh,
Do you expect something like progression of RVOTO, acquired RVOTO?
sir, isolated PS usually presents
PSD,
late, sir. Second and
PSD developing into pathologic and acquired RVOTO.
yes, sir. They can present after 5 years of age, like Gazul's PSD with Gazul's. They can present late, sir, like after 5 years. So that is possible, sir.
Amit, what are the different, what do you mean by transient cyanosis, and which are the cases you get transient cyanosis?
Transient cyanosis, like cyanosis which is present in the beginning and then disappears, and then to
Why
come
does it
again.
disappear? Why does it
Uh,
disappear?
Sir, like once the PVR falls, like in Epstein's anomaly, sir.
Perfect.
Uh,
Good.
like in
Then?
neonate, they come with cyanosis and heart failure, and once the PVR
Okay.
decreases after 4 to 6 weeks, that's when the pulmonary blood flow
Other
increases.
conditions? Other
Uh,
conditions apart from Epstein, where it can be possible? Even in ASD, DORV with subaortic VSD without pulmonary stenosis is also possible, and in truncus. These are the 3-4 conditions where transient cyanosis is possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can you example like what is mixed cyanosis, and give me 1 or 2 example where probably mixed cyanosis will set in?
Sir, I didn't get
What
the
do you mean by
question.
mixed cyanosis? What is mixed cyanosis?
Sir, I'm not
When
sure.
there is a
Sir.
central and peripheral cyanosis are both present. Okay,
Babies
then it is known as a mixed cyanosis. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
in the
Okay,
same
sir.
patient, there will be central as well as the peripheral cyanosis. Can you give me some example of that?
Can you switch on the light, please?
Uh,
Whose voice it is? Hello.
We'll be keeping good babies. Thank you.
someone else
Amit,
is
Amit.
mic is on, sir.
पापा
Amit.
चलाओ जरा एक बार
Hello, sir.
चलाओ
So
पापा को
mixed cyanosis can be there in pulmonary edema, cardiogenic shock, where pulmonary edema is a
Yes, sir.
central component and the peripheral component is a cardiogenic shock. Okay. So
Okay,
these
sir.
are also there is another example chronic bronchitis and cough pneumonia. So you have to be just aware about it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Go to next slide.
No, we were talking about the differential diagnosis at the age of 9 months. You said one is the phallus physiology. What are the different
Yes.
components of phallus physiology? Let us come to the basics. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So malaligned VSD with overriding of aorta with RVH.
No, when the phallus physiology was described, there were two important things. One is the anatomical physiology and one is the physiological physiology. So what is most
Yes, sir.
important anatomical physiology? Two most important components in that.
So
Phallus
malaligned
has really
VSD, sir.
described. And
There's some background noise.
Yes, sir. Someone's mic is on, sir.
somebody has to mute their mic, please.
Sir, unmute yourself.
Okay, let's
Amit?
start. Let's go ahead.
Amit,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. So I was asking you the phallus physiological, anatomical important component, the physiological component.
Yes, sir. Sir, anatomical component is malaligned VSD, sir.
And
That is anterior
what
and
is most
superior
important
deviation
in
of
the
the.
what else what is the developmental problem in tetralogy of fallow embryologically? What is the most important problem
Sir, that is anterior and cephalad deviation of the infundibular septum, sir.
in the septum? So what does
Yes,
it
sir.
cause? It will
So
cause
that
a
causes
right ventricular
infundibular
obstruction.
stenosis. Yes, sir. Right
So
ventricular
RVOTO
obstruction.
and the large VS, these are the most important component of phallus physiology as far as anatomy is concerned. When phallus
Yes, sir.
physiology described, also there are two clinical important symptoms. That is, either you have to have spells or a sweating episode without congestive heart failure symptoms. So these are the classical
Hello, Saurabh.
of phallus physiology which was
Hello.
described initially. Okay.
Hello, yes.
Yes, sir.
So what else apart from the phallus physiology? This could be 9-year-old insidious onset cyanosis, no history of cyanotic spells. Okay. Was there any history of history? Is there any history of gaining weight properly? Did you ask that?
Yes, sir. I have not asked that, sir.
You should know what important history you need now.
So
You can ask
growth.
Parag about it. Whatever the important history you need, any negative history you need for a differential diagnosis.
What is difference in weight of a cyanotic and a cyanotic heart? Weight and height. That's what I want to ask. I think.
Sir, in cyanotic heart disease, there will be growth failure, sir. Failure to thrive will be there.
Okay.
So there will be weight gain will be problem with the weight gain. But in acyanotic, that is not so, sir. Like, and plus in
How is the
cyanotic
mental
heart
development?
diseases, yes, sir. There will be developmental delay also. So like global
Yes.
delay we say, sir, in cyanotic heart disease.
Right. So both are very important, isn't it? That is the negative
Yes, sir.
history important component, isn't it? So
Yes.
now and also there is no history of any heart failure in the past, right? As far as this history is concerned. So tell
Yes,
us I think Parag has that next slide as a differential diagnosis. So tell us the differential diagnosis before his slide comes.
Sir, one is tetralogy physiology, VSDPS physiology. Second is Eisenmenger.
And why do you
but
think so? Why
Eisenmenger-
do you think so? Fellow, just a minute. Why do you think so? Important points in history.
Important points in
One,
history
two,
is
three.
age of presentation of cyanosis, which was from infancy,
Deferred cyanosis.
and
Okay.
deferred cyanosis, plus episodes of squattings are present, which are again goes in favor of VSDPS physiology, sir.
Okay.
Tetralogy, sir. So those are two important
There is
findings,
no-
and since there is no increase QP symptom suggestive of increased QP, so I have ruled out a TGA and admixtures physiology and even a post tricuspid shunt, sir.
What is TJ physiology?
Sir, TGA physiology is
What is how
is
circulation in TJ different from
There-
top, and what is admixture physiology?
so TGA is a parallel circulation, sir.
Okay,
So great artery is originating from right ventricle and like
I
systemic
understand that.
artery. Yes, sir.
And what is admixture physiology?
Admixture is sir like both systemic venous and the pulmonary venous flow are mixed in either a atrial chamber or a ventricular chamber, and that is what is circulated both in the systemic and the pulmonary circulation. Again.
Give me example of admixture physiology.
Sir, admixture physiology at atrial level will be TAPVC, common atrium. At ventricular level will be single ventricle. At great artery level will be truncus. And even tricuspid atresia with VSD, large VSD, also as admixture physiology.
Okay, so coming to your differential diagnosis, first you say physiology. Is there any differential diagnosis you want to give? Amit,
Yes, sir.
I also knew it. That's why
can it be
Sir, there are other mics
ASD
on.
with pulmonary stenosis?
ASD with pulmonary stenosis, sir, presentation will be in second and third decade.
Sir, you have given
That is
2.5.
possible.
I am saying it can it be mild to moderate size ASD and a severe PF?
I will
Can it
continue.
present like that?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, they can
Before
present,
saying
sir.
no, you
ASD
have to
with
think
PS.
about it. You know, if somebody examiner is asking, there is a sense in asking the question, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
just
Sir, ASD
think
PS
about
can
it.
present,
Don't be
sir.
fast.
And what about pulmonary?
How the ASDPS is if there is a mild, if there is a small to moderate size ASD with severe pulmonary stenosis, how does it present? Can you tell us the natural history of ASDPS? So, when there is a small ASD or a moderate size ASD, the PS is probably a severe going on that. You can have this kind of presentation, but yes, there will be no history of any squatting episodes, right? Or
Yes,
a
sir.
spell.
No history of
Your
squatting.
patient does not have the spell as such. Okay? So, but whenever you are talking about differential diagnosis, you have to always consider this kind of physiology. Can it be only VSD with pulmonary stenosis without tetralogy of Fallot?
Sir, in VSDPS, again, sir, they will have history of recurrent respiratory tract infection in the first to begin with.
What do you have for breakfast?
And then later
No.
they will start developing the infundibular
But every
RVOT
VSD has an
obstruction.
increased pulmonary flow situation history.
I
Every
ask you
VSD depends on the size of the VSD, right? How
Yes, sir,
anatomically
depends on
and
the size.
physiologically the size of the VSD that gives the symptomatic importance, right? So,
Yes, sir.
Now,
okay,
as
what
to
else?
ask, what you have brought a question of infundibular stenosis. Does every tetralogy of fellow has got infundibular stenosis?
Sir, around 60 to 70% has, sir, infundibular stenosis.
So
Either-
okay, so others are not tough.
No,
Or
sir,
what
others are
are-
also top, sir. Either, sir, in RVOT obstruction, it can be infundibular, valvular, or supravalvular, sir. All the three can be there in tetralogy of fellow, sir. Isolated infundibular is only 26%, sir, 25 to 26. And combined infundibular valvular is around 30 to 40%, sir.
Okay.
And then,
What
sir,
is
last
IC
15
already?
minutes can be there, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Going
sir.
to next.
Okay, go ahead, Amit. Take it.
What is the significance
So-
of maternal age?
Maternal history, sir. Yes, sir. So during pregnancy, we have to ask for either any infection, history of infections, or drug intake, or history of gestational diabetes mellitus has to be asked, sir.
Gestational diabetes is more significant, or some other is more insignificant? When the gestational diabetes occurs?
Gestational, sir.
When does gestational diabetes occurs?
Uh, Usually in second trimester, sir, after second trimester.
So by that time, organogenesis is done or yet to be done?
Done. No, sir, it's already done.
So you
So,
have
sir,
to ask
infections
now-
and drugs.
You have to ask, is the diabetes
Yes, sir.
type 2 before she become pregnant? And so what most
Yes,
important
sir.
factor is HbA1c at the time of conception. That determines the chances of developing PhD.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the significance of maternal age?
Uh, Sir, Down syndrome has been seen with late pregnancies, sir.
At age of more than 35, chances of having
35 years.
is more.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What is the
So
most
this
important genetic in history
syndrome with
you
the
will rule
cough.
out in the cases of tetralogy of Fallot? What do you expect
Uh,
in tetralogy of Fallot? Which are the genetic disorder association with tetralogy of Fallot or Fallot's physiology?
Sir, 22q11, sir, DiGeorge, which is
How
most
it is
common, sir.
common and how common
Yes,
it
sir.
is?
Sir, 20% of chromosomal mutations are seen in top, sir. So DiGeorge is around 16%. Then others are like trisomy, Downs also is possible. And then Edwards and Pathaus are also been explained, sir.
What is unique
Out of
Downs
different
with cough?
variants of the top, there are. Do you know how many variants of the tetralogy of Fallot are there?
Yes, sir.
Tell us.
Yes, sir. Uh,
Hmm.
then top with ASD, that is pentalogy.
Pulmonary
Top with AVSD.
and peripheral pulmonary
AV canal.
stenosis. Okay.
Yes, sir. Top
So
with
one
peripheral
important
pulmonary.
thing in out of the DiGeorge syndrome is most common with which kind of variant of the tetralogy of Fallot?
Top
Is it
with
with
pulmonary
absentee wall or pulmonary atresia? It is with absentee wall. No?
pulmonary.
Most common, I think, incidence wise, and how clinically you can suspect that DiGeorge syndrome. This is the most important genetic disorder, right? As far as
Yes, sir.
Fallot's association is concerned. So examiner will be interested to know whether you know any clinical features of that syndrome.
Sir, they will have immune deficiencies, hypocalcemia, sir,
Right,
associated.
right.
Uh,
Hyperparathyroidism, yes. And cleft palate is also
What are the
very
visual
commonly
anomalies?
associated as a clinic. Okay.
And what are the
Yes.
anatomical variant of top associated with DiGeorge? The right aortic arch is with aberrant left subclavian is more common associated with top with some reports.
right, sir. Okay.
Okay. So on general examination, pulse is 90, regular, adequate volume. Tension is normal. All pulses are palpable. Non-equality pulses, no radiofemoral delay. BP is 180 by 70 in upper limb, 116 by 76 lower limb. AP is not less. Waveforms are normal. So what do you interpret
So
from this?
Yes, sir.
Or what is not there?
Amit, can I, suppose the pulse is this pulse what description has given, this pulse looks whatever is normal, right? So what
Yes, sir.
diseases you have ruled out by this pulse being normal? What other
Sir,
things have been ruled out in clinical examination? You will say at the
Sir,
diagnosis probably this is not there.
Yes, sir. Sir, top can present with aortic regurgitation also, sir. So that is ruled out since the pulse volume is
But
normal.
you expect
No
9 years of
significant regurgitation. Okay.
No significant regurgitation.
So we
sir.
can say no significant regurgitation at least. Next, what else has been ruled out? See the peripheral
So
examination
BP,
and yes. No, before BP.
coarctation associated is ruled out, sir.
Yes, very
coarctation
good.
with off.
Like no radiofemoral diseases, no
No,
coarctation.
no, but I am asking you which varieties of top will have coarctation now. Now, if you're saying coarctation, now you tell me which varieties of top will have coarctation. Or which physiological variants of top will have coarctation. Something I don't want to ask, but I'm asking. As you have mentioned.
Sir, not sure, sir.
So when you talk about something like toxic being anomaly or theory with
Transpose
subpulmonary,
physiology.
or you talk about tricuspid atresia with TGA, or you talk about single ventricle with aorta coming from outlet chamber and sub aortic stenosis. All those rare variants have got a coarctation. So you don't talk about coarctation in setting of top.
Okay.
Suppose the pulse is bounding, what different diagnosis you will make from the pulse? What will be the what will be the possibilities?
They had the pulse pressure been say 120 by 50 or something like that. So what can
Sir,
you think of?
aortic regurgitation associated.
That you talked about,
Possible.
brother.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Then
Next. What
patent
else?
ductus arteriosus, sir. PDA.
Next.
Okay, or
Next.
Uh, or sir, associated anemia, sir. Top in failure there, sir. So.
I'm talking about anatomical. Don't go in physiological stuff.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Large MAPCAs.
Large mucus. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What else? And post shunt. Okay.
Post
Post shunt
that's
also
more
there
important.
can be you can have a high pulse pressure and also the bounding pulse. Okay. Now
Okay,
about
sir.
the
BT
JVP.
shunt.
According to the JVP, everything is normal, right? So tell us the
Yes.
abnormal JVP and the callus physiology. Where you can
Yeah,
get it, can you get it? What are the scenario?
The top with a restrictive ESD like Hoffman variant can have this
Which
one, and
variant?
top with heart failure. Hoffman variant, sir. Restrictive ESD.
Okay.
They can
How
have
common
elevated
it is?
JP.
How common?
Sir, it's less than 5%, sir. That is very less.
Very uncommon, no? Less than 1
Yes,
or
sir.
2% means very rare. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Then top with heart failure. So like.
No, not over. No,
Okay.
JVP is most important. You said that. I'm
Yes,
talking
sir.
about phallus physiology as such. So tell us which phallus physiology will probably have abnormal JVP and what abnormality will be there.
Uh,
What is tricuspid atresia? Don't you get abnormal JVP in the tricuspid atresia? What do you get in the JVP in tricuspid atresia?
there will be giant A waves in tricuspid.
Yeah, so that's most important diagnosis.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are talking about phallus physiology as a case, when JVP comes, that is the only thing which is possible, no? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Tricuspid atresia with
Or
yes,
when there is
USDPs.
a AV canal defect, severe MR, then V waves can be there. Otherwise, A waves are common in tricuspid atresia answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
No edema, no pallor. Saturation at base is 89%. There is a grade 2 clubbing. Lymph node aspect. Head, spine is normal. Skeleton is normal. No bony deformity. So, what do you not expect? Anything you want to comment on this?
Sir.
Okay, let it be. I just go
Looks
at this.
fine.
Okay. So, coming to specific examination, chest is symmetrical, no pericardial bulge, apex was seen on fourth intercostal space on left side within mid-clavicular line. No other visible pulsation. Okay, no scars, sinuses, dilated veins. Do you expect scars in this patient?
No, sir.
Before
Only if
Parag,
it is
I just-
post-op, then only. Sir.
Parag, give me 1 minute. Before
Yes,
going
sir.
to the systemic examination, I
Yeah.
want your impression after the history and the general examination, your possible diagnosis. Amit,
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, clinical examination only with general examination. We didn't get any extra
with
positive
general
findings other
examination,
than.
now general examination
Yes,
over,
sir.
no? So you can tell
Yes, sir.
us your
Cyanosis is there,
differentials, 1,
sir.
2, 3, 4.
Cyanosis and clubbing is there. So again, sir, top and ASDPS physiology still can be kept in mind, sir. But JVP is not elevated. So in ASDPS again, JVP will be elevated. So that is again ruled out, sir, which we had considered in the beginning, sir. So
And
tetralogy
in
of
top
Fallot can still be
physiology, what
possible,
is
sir.
the most likely? In top physiology, what is the most likely?
Typical top, sir. This one, sir.
Typical top
Tetralogy
means?
of Fallot, sir. Tetralogy of Fallot, only,
Okay,
sir.
why not others? Means why it cannot be DORV, why it cannot be CTJ, why it cannot be TJV SDPS, why it cannot be single ventricle PS?
Sir, at this
Is
point,
there any
to
particular
rule out
reason on general
DRV,
examination?
sir, DRV at this point cannot be ruled out, sir. But sir,
So
tricuspid atresia PS, as we discussed, sir, again JVP will be elevated there, sir, as AV will be prominent.
okay, less likely.
Otherwise,
Tricuspid atresia will be less
less likely.
likely. You cannot
Single
say it's
ventricle.
ruled out. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
What about
you-
single ventricle?
so
Single
all.
ventricle at this point cannot be ruled out, sir.
So that's what I
as
meant
your
to say.
reply should be to this question is that it's very difficult to rule out clinic on history and general
General.
examination what kind of
Yes, sir.
top physiology it is. But most commonly, tetralogy of Fallot is the commonest one. That is why I'm keeping my first priority as a tetralogy of Fallot. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
You
sir.
got me? Ah, okay,
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead. Now we can go to your systemic examination.
So systemic examination. Uh, Chest is symmetrical, no precordial bulge. Apex impulse is in fourth left intercostal space within midclavicular line. No other visible pulsations. And no scar, no sinuses. So what do you interpret from this?
Sir, here we don't have parasternal lift, so DORV is ruled out, sir.
Okay.
How can you
And
say that if there is
How
no
can you rule
parasternal
out
fit, you are
DORV?
ruled out on inspection
like
only?
Last 7
that
minutes.
is, sir, that is one common differentiation with TOF, sir, in examination, which is present in DORV, and sir, no mention of any thrill, sir. So thrill can be again present in DORV
No,
VSD
I just
patient.
wanted
I'm
your
not palp- I'm just
conclusion on this
suspecting. I'm not
inspection.
palpating.
Amit,
Sir, not rule out,
what is
like
your
maybe less
conclusion
likely,
on
sir.
inspection? Amit, what is your
Inspection.
conclusion on this inspection findings? Tell me in short. You feel this is
Or
my conclusion of this inspection finding.
tetralogy fellow or single ventricle PS also
Nahi.
possible, sir. So,
No, re Baba.
Had
When inspection is occurring, we can talk about the apex. Okay, what
Yes,
kind
sir.
of apex, and is there any cardiomegaly or not? So
Sir,
doesn't
no
appear to be
cardiomegaly.
any cardiomegaly, and it's probably
Yes,
a
sir.
silent heart. Okay, so that is the
Yes, sir.
most important in the tetralogy of fellow on inspection as a conclusory remark. Okay, you can't otherwise rule out anything on the inspection. Okay, now let us
Okay,
go
sir.
to the palpation.
apex is diffused within midclavicular line with parasternal heave. There is a. Do you expect palpable P2? That's
No,
a
sir.
left upper question. Thrill is absent. Left heart border, right heart border is heterosternal. Left heart border corresponding with apex bit. So, what interference can you make, and can you make any value addition to this?
Sir, since parasternal heave is present here, sir. So, sir, again, DORV VSD PS possible. Then, and since apex is diffuse, I'm not sure, sir, whether, sir, it is in continuation with parasternal pulsations.
Why?
Heave.
What do you mean by parasternal heave as such? What is
Sir,
your
parasternal.
understanding?
Parasternal leaf suggests, sir, the right ventricle is hypertrophied and systemic, sir. Like,
But diffuse apex also suggests same thing.
so diffuse apex also suggests right ventricle.
Okay.
Why
So it's
are you
not.
saying parasternal heave? Once you are saying parasternal heave, that means the RV is at the suprasystemic pressure. You are saying that way or what? And when can you have that kind of pressures in RV in tetralogy of fellow?
No, sir. It will
So
not be
whenever
suprasystemic, sir.
heave is means you have, how do you, when you palpate, what do you feel parasternal heave as?
Sir, it will be a lift, sir. Systolic lift will be there.
It's
And
a
it will be
forceful
more than
lift, isn't
50.
it?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
it is
Forceful
breathy or
lift.
something, it's a forceful. The RV pressures are very high in that way, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is something very different kind. I will be surprised with this parasternal heave in the same patient. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you should also be surprised in the same patient having the parasternal heave. So tell us the scenario where in cyanotic congenital heart diseases where there is a history of cyanosis and scratting and you can get a parasternal heave. When can it happen?
Sir, DORV VSD PS is the one where we can get, sir, all these things. Squatting and cyanosis and parasternal leaf.
DO or VSDPS, why parasternal heave occurs?
Because the right ventricle is giving both, sir, aorta and pulmonary artery. So,
I ask you a very simple physiological question. Is there any
I don't
significant
agree.
hemodynamic difference between a DORV or TOF if the VSD is large?
if,
Hello.
sir,
Last
so
2 minutes.
DORV,
Is an
it will be biventricular.
okay, let it be. What is if there is a P2 palpable in left pass? What differential can you think of?
Sir, palpable, sir, in
If something
TOF
is
is only
palpable in left
P2 will not.
interstitial space, What do you think
So
of?
dilated aorta, sir. Dilated aorta, it is possible.
So if
These
dilated
two
aorta is
colors.
there, what do you think of?
Uh,
Left second causal stress. CCTGA.
yes, sir. CCTG.
So on auscultation, S1 is normal, S2 is single, no S3, S4. There's ejection murmur in left parasite space, localized, grade 3 by 4, no variation with respiration, no continuous, no heart or back or elsewhere in the chest. So what does it mean?
So there is
Sorry, somebody has a mic on, please put it off, please. That's why it is shouting.
So just summarize this. I think this is the final slide of auscultation.
yes, sir.
So
S2 is
summarize
single.
the clinical systemic examination.
Yes, sir. So S2 is single and there is ESM
No,
at third space
what
suggests that
kind of
RV
apex it was? Just a minute. What type of apex it was?
apex was RV type, sir. So
RV apex. Next,
yes, sir.
conclusion of the
So-
all findings. There is
So
no
RV
cardiomegaly,
dominance,
right?
no
Just a
cardiomegaly,
minute.
sir.
There is no cardiomegaly. Third is there
There
is
is parasternal lift.
E2 is what?
E2,
Absent,
sir,
right?
S2 is single, sir.
S2.
Single
Right.
S2.
So what is likely?
Tetralogy is likely, sir, again.
Right. Decreased pulmonary flow situation will like okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
another thing, but most important, you got a parasternal heave, which I am not convinced about you or whatever the reasons you are giving it to me. There
Yes, sir.
shouldn't be the parasternal heave in this case. Barabar?
Yes, sir.
So where other pulsation can be parasternally, you can palpate in the congenital cyanotic heart diseases, like Parag has said already, 1 CTJ. What else you can? That those will be aortic pulsation.
Parasternal heave, sir, you said, sir.
Yeah.
Causes for parasternal heave, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, ASD PS also can have, and AVCD with PS, sir. AV canal defect with PS also can have, sir, parasternal heave. In
AV canal
tetralogy
defects
physiology,
with,
sir. With
you
PS.
mean to say large LA pulsation can mimic as a parasternal view
Parag Charan, last 2
in
minutes.
that case.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Go ahead. So tell us now the diagnosis.
So, okay, sir. X-ray is there, sir.
You tell us your diagnosis first, the X-rays for
Okay.
later interpretation.
Cyanotic congenital heart
Hello,
disease
Hello, madam.
with a decreased QP situation, most likely tetralogy of Fallot.
QP, this you can't say like in the
Madam,
diagnosis
Charan,
QP.
50
Yes,
Say
sir.
the
Decreased
complete
pulmonary
word.
blood flow
Yes,
situation. Yes, sir. Decreased pulmonary blood flow situation, most likely tetralogy of Fallot. In sinus rhythm, no signs of heart failure, sir, and no signs of infective endocarditis.
I got one question. Can you clinically differentiate between tricuspid and tetralogy of Fallot?
Sir, in tricuspid, JVP will be elevated with A wave prominent, and
What
You
there
can
will
get
be
with the respective VSD also.
yes, sir, but then that is rare, sir. And the second, sir, if restrictive ESD is there, the patient will be in heart failure, sir, in tetralogy of Fallot.
Not necessarily.
Okay, sir. And sir,
You can get that, yeah.
yes, sir. And in tricuspid, sir, PSL, there will be double obstruction. So VSD also acts like an obstruction,
And
and there
what
will
about
be
the
PS
inflow
also.
pulsations? What about the clinically inflow pulsation? You know, when you palpate in the epigastrium, do you
Epigastrium,
get the
that's
inflow pulsation in the tricuspid atresia?
It will be absent, sir. In
RV is
epigastric
absent.
pulsations
No,
will be
so that
absent.
is also
Yes, sir.
important parameter. When you talk about clinical examination, these three things are important.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Next.
And,
Hello,
and then there
hello,
will be pansystolic murmur, sir.
hello.
Hello.
This is Dr.
Madam is asking
Kulkarni.
something.
Yeah, this is
Has
Dr.
there been
Kulkarni.
what did you cut off?
I think you should go ahead with investigations. We have hardly seen any investigation except X-ray and ECG.
Go ahead, X-ray.
There is much more than that, isn't it?
Okay, okay, sir. Chest
So in
X-ray, PA view.
physiology, X-ray is important or ECG? Suppose you want to, out of 2 investigation, you are told which investigation will be good for you for a diagnosis or differentiation.
ECG, sir. ECG, sir.
Okay, good. Anyway, go on about X-ray.
Yes. Chest X-ray, PA view. No cardiomegaly. Well centralized, well exposed. No cardiomegaly. Apex is RV counter.
Looks
And
very
then-
classical.
Amit, just
no?
give
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
salient points. Don't describe the
Yeah,
whole.
it
We
looks
don't
very
have time.
classical.
Okay, sir. And sir, it's a RV apex and decrease the pulmonary, this one, sir, marking, sir, vascular marking. And pulmonary base obliterated, sir. That's-
Probably rotated. Little rotation is there. That's why that concavity is probably gone.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, but
Concavity
like
seems
like
to be-
typical good shape kind of a heart we can see, isn't it? What about the arch? Can you comment about the arch?
Sir, here, sir, I am not able to see the indentation.
Difficult. Trachea bifurcation
yeah.
नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, ठीक है.
Yes,
Go
sir.
to the ECG then. Okay, now tell us the ECG. You
Yes, sir. 12 lead ECG with normal standard
Just give the
deviation,
salient
sinus
points.
rhythm.
First. Don't describe the whole thing. We don't have time.
Yes, sir. There is right axis deviation and there is RV hypertrophy with sudden transition in V2, sir.
okay.
And
What is the loop?
sir, loop is Q,
Who is there in the loop?
sir, it is clockwise loop, sir. 2-3 AVF are showing negative
Okay.
Q waves, sir. So
So
clockwise
again,
loop.
very classical ECG, isn't it?
Classical
Clockwise
ECG
loop
of
with-
tetralogy of Fallot. Yes, sir.
Why cannot be? What are the typical features of DORV in the ECG?
Sir, they will have counterclockwise loop and extreme right axis deviation with
What is
PR
axis here?
prolongation. Here axis is around 120, sir, 120, 130 degrees.
And if it is tricuspid atresia, then
120.
So tricuspid atresia will have left axis deviation, sir.
and
And
What
LVH and
Right
Right
ventricle
ventricle
counterclockwise loop,
enlargement
sir.
also. Huh?
Yes, sir. Tall P waves should be there, sir.
okay. I just run the
What
echo
about
loops.
single ventricle?
You have the echo, na? Parag, you have the echo. Na?
Acha.
Please go ahead.
I just run the echo loops. Just give me time.
Please.
How much
fast.
time is remaining, sir?
It is gone, but another 2 minutes will give you
Okay.
because there are
Okay,
echoes.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, talk, Amit. We will not disturb you. Okay, till you finish
Okay.
your diagnosis on echo.
Sir, parasternal short axis view at great artery level and there is a turbulence across RVOT and narrowing also seen, sir, at RVOT. Probably infundibular stenosis and
Okay.
also a perimembranous VSD subarterial, sir. Not clearly seen, sir.
You should see
Not clearly
whatever
seen.
seen in this view. Perimembranous VSD is
Yes,
not
sir.
seen clearly in this view. No, so what is seen best in this
बरं
view?
सोडून दे मम्मी
Talk
सरांना
about the
सांगतो
MPN
ओपन होत नाही म्हणून आपण
branches,
स्पॉट्स वर जाऊ सर.
confluence. Is there any
Sir,
peripheral
confluence,
stenosis? Is there any
case,
yes,
macula? Is there any
कुठची सरांची सरांची
Ductus
झाली
is not
ओके
seen, sir.
बघतो मी कुठे के
RPA is seen, LPA is not clearly seen, sir.
So look, no, there is good confluence is shown. No,
Yes,
MPN
sir.
branches are
Confluence is
adequately sized and very well confluent. There is a tight infundibular stenosis. Pulmonary wall looks okay. Post just after that, isn't it? No
Yes, sir. Pulmonary wall looks
dilatation of the MPR branches. Next view.
No, sir.
Is there any other view?
I just show another. Just hold.
So there is no PD or MAPCA, right?
Sir, it's not seen in that view, sir. So
It's not.
I'm not
seen.
sure, sir.
What we
Yes,
want to see for that? Where will you see
sir.
the MAPCAs or PDA? Which view?
Sir, in ductal view, that is high parasternal view, we can see PDA.
Okay.
MAPCAs can be seen in suprasternal view, sir. If there are large MAPCAs, sir. Parasternal long axis view.
Suprasternal view. What are the different things you should see?
So coarctation should be seen, MAPCA should be seen, and arch
Type of arch.
should be seen. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
talk about here. Sorry.
Sided of aortic arch
Side
and
of
the-
aortic arch, yes, sir.
and the aberrant vessels origin.
Yes, sir. Subclavian aberrances. Yes.
Yeah.
I want very
this-
good observation on this echo, Amit. You have to talk very intelligently now.
Last
okay?
1 minute,
As
last
a
1
PM
minute, Parag, we have
pass
run
out.
out of time.
On this,
Okay, sir. This is a parasternal long axis view, which shows subarterial VSD, subaortic VSD, with aortic override, which is less than 50%, and RVOT is seen, sir.
what else?
And, sir,
You have to talk on this view in Palo whether there is a aortomitral continuity is there or not there. That is most important, no? That's
Yes, sir,
why
aortomitral
DORV will be
continuity
ruled
is
out
there,
in
sir.
this view.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to talk.
Aortomitral
Okay.
continuity
Even though
is
you
there, sir.
said override is not much, but we have to talk this. So yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's very
Well,
essential.
that's the end of the story,
Okay.
please.
Okay, yeah.
Sir, your slide I have
Okay.
opened on my computer. I'll try to run from my computer, sir.
What do you want to do for this patient?
Sir, we have to get an angio, sir, a cath
Why?
done to see the coronary artery
Indication?
since it is not seen. Coronary artery, sir.
Pulmonary artery is well seen. Yeah. Don't tell me.
No, sir. Coronary artery
Next.
course, sir.
Ah,
Coronary
coronary
artery
Can we
course
start?
we have
Can
to
we
see,
start
sir.
the spots then in between?
Okay, sir. Chalo. Thank you, Amit.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, Parag.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Amit.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. I'll tell Jala to start the spots then. Hello. Hello. Yeah, thank you
Yes.
everybody. And Jhala, start the slides because Dr. Satya